Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tiara Monet, and we are here with Dark and Lovely to celebrate the launch of the new Fade Resist color. And I'm super excited to show you guys how to get your wig right at home using our brand new formula. And the best part about this is it lasts 8 weeks. We got a new conditioner for you, and your wig will be on fleek. TT taught ya.
Hi, I'm Bethel. I'm a sales director in fashion. I'm 44 years old. Still haven't lied about my age. I earned these years. Everybody's always looking at you from head to toe the second that they meet you in fashion. So it's just part of my job to be pulled together and polished. Color and shine are the most important things to me when it comes to my hair. I've been using L'Oreal Preference for about 12 years now. I use number 3, which is a soft black, and I love it. It still feels, soft and feminine. The reason why I use L'Oreal Preference is because it lasts. It doesn't fade. It's really a saturated, beautiful color, but the shine is what I love. My husband works at one of the top salons in New York City, so people always assume that I get my color there professionally as well. But in fact, I do it myself, and they always tell me how good my color looks. It's one of my little secrets.